What is up, Power Stoked Nation? My name is Austin and welcome to the Power Stoked YouTube channel. Today, gonna be a very short video. It's just gonna be a couple updates that I wanna give to you guys and keep this ball rolling of having an upload every single week. I like keeping you guys in the loop, and so I thought this was very, very important to do. I did something pretty cool. You guys have been requesting it a lot and I finally broke down and did it. I would always comment back to this no, give very disappointing reactions, and I felt awful. But we officially have an Instagram account, you guys. That is right, everybody. Power Stoked Nation officially has a YouTube channel. Go follow me, PowerStoked_YT for YouTube. I'll show you right here. PowerStoked_YT. I have one picture up. I'd say I'm doing pretty good, you know. I'm getting used to it. But I thought it'd be pretty cool to expand and be able to give you guys pictures that you won't see in the videos. Like maybe every day I'll post a picture of the truck in the morning or something along those lines, what I'm doing, and keep you guys in the loop that way too. It opens up a whole new door for this channel. So yeah, go follow me over there, and I have another pretty cool announcement to make. Lately I've been working very hard on a merchandise website for us, so that way come spring when the merchandise comes in, I can be professional and have a website that you guys can go to and buy the product. Now I have no products right now. I wish I did. I'd be rocking Power Stoked shirts every single day. But I have a website built and I want to show you guys and give you guys a sneak peek and a glimpse into what that's going to look like here in the future. So right here we got the Power Stoked website for the merchandise here. Join the nation. Picture of the truck, you scroll down, and then it'll be shirts and decals here, and eventually it'll be hats and more fun things, maybe keychains, that kind of stuff, if you guys really do like it. I really want to thank you all so much for the constant support that you guys give me. I've been getting a lot of positive feedback on doing merchandise, and I really, really appreciate it. I'm very excited to get that to you guys. But like I said, this week's video is very, very short. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for watching and continually supporting. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, smash the like button, share the video, follow me on Instagram now, and I'll see you guys next time.